As the school fair season kicks in, I always like to have a couple of good cupcake recipes to hand that are easy to make and are going to go down a treat. This is a chocolate chip mini loaf recipe with an easy to make creamy chocolate frosting. So to make the chocolate chip sponge loaves, we'll need self-raising flour, milk, caster sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla and chocolate chips. And to start, I'm going to whisk the butter with the caster sugar until it's really light and fluffy. That's incorporating lots of air into our sponge. And then we can add the sieved flour and just fold that through. So now that's well combined with lots of air incorporated into it, I can add the chocolate chips. And now our batter's ready to go into the cases. So these are cardboard loaf cases, and you can get them in the supermarket or online, and they have a non-stick inner, so they're perfect for making little loaf cakes. Just pop them onto a tray and then we can fill them with our cake batter. So just grab a dollop of batter and spoon it into the cases. Level these off and then they can go into the oven at 180 fan assisted for about 20 minutes until risen, golden and gorgeous. So while these are cooling, we can make the creamy chocolate frosting. Sugar, and butter into the bowl first. It's obligatory to make a mess. This is looking nice and fluffy, so now we can add the chocolate. And whisk again. So to decorate, I've got my frosting in a piping bag that's non-slip, which makes it easier to hold on to, and a closed star nozzle, so look for one that looks a little bit like an asterisk. And then I twist the top and hold it between my thumb and the side of my forefinger, squeeze with this hand and guide the bag with this hand, or the other way around if you're left-handed. And then you can decorate them with anything you've got in the cupboard.